British inflation cooled slightly more than expected in February. The UK's Office for National Statistics said Wednesday consumer prices rose by 3.4% in annual terms last month. That slowed from a % rise in January and was the lowest rate of inflation in 2.5 years. Both economists and the Bank of England had projected higher inflation. Food and selling prices in eateries were the biggest downward drags, though that was offset by an upward contribution from motor fuels. Services inflation, which the central bank watches closely, slowed to 6.1% from 6.5% in January. Core inflation, which excludes energy, food and tobacco prices, also slowed to 4.5%. The figures were published on the day that the central bank's interest rate setters are due to vote on borrowing costs. The announcement of their March policy decision is due on Thursday. Investors slightly increased bets the bank would start cutting interest rates in August. The bank has said underlying inflation pressure in the economy is still too persistent for it to cut interest rates now, but it has signalled lower borrowing costs are likely later this year.